So this is another trading station on our channel. We choose which currency pair to work with. Let's decide where to open trades. We'll look for what suits us best, where it's easier to read the chart. This one seems convenient enough. Let's set the Bollinger Bands indicator right now. Here we go. We change 5 to 9. We also set horizontal support and the resistance lines, which is important. Here and here as well as here. Okay, now we're ready. Let's bounce. We'll open trades for 2 minutes at $100. $100. Here we can see that the price has already bounced out a support line. So we'll predict further price blows. No stress, just patience. So the price went confidently into the plus. Our trade worked, which shows the entry point very accurately. Now let's look for another entry opportunity. Overall, it seems like there is slight resistance in this zone, but it feels like the price should break through it eventually. So, So I will now open another trade for 2 minutes in an upward direction. As we can see, there was a small resistance in this zone, which worked in part, pushed the price down. Well, let's adjust one thing. We'll switch our candles. They were 1 minute, but for convenience, we'll switch to 5-second candles. Here we go. Now we can see the price behavior much better on a short period chart. Here I think the price will press again towards the support line. So no stress. We will open a downward trade and double it to recover our previous loss. Yep, so the trade closed confidently in the plus. We were accurately digified the support line. Notice that the resistance line was broke, but it was most likely a false breakout. As the price did not go lower during false breakout, it's often predicted that the price will go back up. Accordingly, here we need to wait and absorb its behavior. Use your brain. Okay, now it still can't break lower, so I'm opening a trade. Trade upward. Day trade amount it reduced, as the previous trade already covered our small loss, as you can see. this. I really love it. Ooh. So we very accurately predicted the price to rebound from the resistance line. We realized the breakout was false and opening the trade in the opposite direction upward. The price closed successfully in the plus. So what do we have? We opened it 4 trades today. The first was a plus, the second a minus, the short a plus which covered our loss, and the fourth was also a plus. Here we can see these all. Plus, minus, doubled. Okay, so we managed to cover the half the box today. And yeah, see you next time.